Is it still possible to get paid playing video games?
Yes, it'll take a while. The market is very saturated. It's not just YouTube. You can start on Twitch. When 2020 happened, the world went on lockdown. So many people, even including in my own circle, Noelle, our very own Noelle from Vision Paradox, and Mirak for a while, got into streaming on Twitch, gaming on Twitch, and to the point that they've made Twitch partners. They have a fan base, they have subscribers, and yes, so that means they are making money playing video games. It doesn't have to be on YouTube. You can start streaming on Twitch, and I think it would be better to start streaming on Twitch as opposed to trying to get into YouTube first. There are Twitch streamers that would stream on Twitch. They'll take their VODs, cut them together, edit them, or upload a full VOD to a YouTube channel and then grow their channel from there. All you have to do is just sit down, record yourself playing a video game, edit the video if you want, upload it, post often, play a trending game. Maybe you don't like that, but sometimes you gotta play something popular before you're able to just find a random indie game and just BS your way through it, and people will watch your channel because they view it for you and not the game anymore. Definitely possible to get paid playing video games. It's gonna take a while, so I would recommend a lot of patience. Gaming content is still very popular on a lot of platforms, especially YouTube and Twitch. So I would leverage those two platforms and see how each platform works, and then go from there. Definitely can make money playing video games. Good luck, and let's go.
It is, because the video game industry is just blowing up more and more and more. So possible getting paid playing video games, man. You can be an esports player. Colleges now have a freaking esports program. So it is wild. So and if you try to do it via YouTube, it's gonna be competitive. If you can, instead of going right into, this is just how me and my thinking, how I would like to approach it if I went all in on gaming. I would probably go and watch, I don't know, if you're gonna be a COD or you're gonna be Minecraft or you're just gonna be a general Let's Player, I would just go and find the top Let's Players and see what they're doing, see a pattern, figure it out, and then from there I would like to try to figure out what can I do differently that provides value to the current marketplace, to the current audience. Because the fact is, if there's people watching someone playing something, they'll probably want to watch other people playing the same game. For example, me and the whole K-pop thing, I do K-pop reactions and I just share, and then I think what makes me different from a lot of my fellow K-pop reactors is I share my background as a competitive dancer and also a professional dancer, and I share the mechanics and the very detailed stuff that not a lot of people understand. They know they like it, but I break down why it's so good. So then that's what I think makes me different. But also, and then to go back into that genre, if someone is reacting to, say, a BTS video or Blackpink, if you guys know who those are, if they're watching one reactor do that, it's likely they'll want to consume other reactors kind of talking about that same content. So same thing with you. If there's one person playing a certain video game or another person playing, and you see another person playing a game, there's a demand. If they're playing the latest Resident Evil, chances are they want to see someone else play, another person, on their unique individual take on the whole thing. So that from there, again, just me thinking about it, I would see what they're doing. How can I be a little bit more different? Editing wise, style wise, that's where I would try to figure out. I haven't looked into it much, but that's where I would try to be unique in my own way. And it has to be authentic to you, because if it's not, if you try something completely off and it feels like you're dragging your feet every time, then it's not going to be fun. So that's how I would try to do it. And I still think it's possible. I'm not that deep into the gaming genre, but if you can see someone else do it and be successful, I think you can too. Just ground it a little bit more. Maybe you're not going to be the next ninja. You're not going to make $1 million off it, but maybe you can make a decent living off it. It's a matter of doing it and make sure you're just enjoying the process the whole time. Because if you're too caught up in the end result and then you're just so caught up in that metric, it is gonna fuck with you. If you're just enjoying the everyday, every day I'm just gonna play the game. I love that because I just love playing games. Then and then it just compounds, and the more you put out there, it's very much like it's volume. Like the more you put out, like the more it compounds, and then that's it. Like at least this is like how I'm thinking about it.
Hello, my name is Bernie and I'm a social media manager for Vision Paradox. Yes, that's a straight and on point answer. How? Number one, you could upload it on your YouTube. If you have a lot of followers, then monetize your page. You are gonna get money. Number two, you can stream. So there's a lot of platform that would allow you to stream. Number three is you could get paid actually testing video games. So those are my three options if you want to get money from playing good old video games.